up, you guys? Welcome back to the Leokissez channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So this is a quick makeup look and slash wig and slash get ready with me, and stay tuned if you want to see how I got this look. Alright babe, so as you can see, I have already slayed my brows, and this is Leokissez Mini Masquerade Palette. I cannot remember the shade of that brown, and I'm watching the video with you. I'll keep that in mind throughout this video, just in case I be slipping up, okay? So yeah, going in with the brown shade, I did this just to kind of, I don't know, I always like to put a close to a skin tone, a brown or some type of tan. I don't know, it's just a habit. I don't even think it's necessary, especially for this look, but I did it. So anyway, also another thing I want to mention to you is I am going to try not to talk all the way through this video, but things happen, so let me apologize in advance. Yeah, so I'm putting on many layers of this many layers of this brown, because I am not using a eyeshadow base. If you do not know what it is, it's just basically a product that you can put on your eyelids before you apply any of your eyeshadow, or a product that you can use to make your cut creases look real bomb, sis. Let me let you know. I don't have any eyeshadow base. I'm late on that. I normally use my concealer, and it does work for me, but I've really been wanting some of my really bright colors, like my pinks and purples, for example, to really pop. An eyeshadow base for this look would have been life. It would have brought so much more to this look, I'm not even going to lie, but I don't have any. So what I did was just add many layers of whatever shade that I was using. So I did go in with the pink out of the Leokissez. What was it? I did go in with the pink out of the Mini Masquerade. Can't remember the name of that either. And so that's what I'm applying now. A lot of times when I'm doing my makeup, especially my eyeshadow looks, I just kind of go with the flow. I already have something in mind before I get started, like I'm going to do this and this. But as I start, however it tends to turn out looking, I kind of go with that. I kind of go for the feel of the look. So I did start off with that pink, but the pink was not giving me complete life. It wasn't as bright as I thought it was going to be. Don't get me wrong, it is a bright pink, but I needed like a, I don't know, like a hot bubblegum pink. So I did go in with BH Cosmetics palette. I think I already said that one time. But I did go in and use a pink and a purple. There we go. Now this is the purple that I'm adding, and that is the pink I'm talking about. I'm trying to watch the video with y'all, as I said before. A lot of times I just kind of talk and the video be playing, but I'm doing better with that. I want to give y'all a little bit more detailed tutorials as far as explaining things. So I'm using Leokissez concealer. I think this is in the tone J16. This is, like I said, where you can use your eyeshadow base if you have some, and I'm sure if you got it, you already know what you can do with it. But instead, I am using the concealer, as I said, and this is not really a cut crease. I basically added this to give a contrast between my pink and my purple, because I had already laid pink, and then I went in with the corners with the purple, but I wanted a really hot popping pink, like right at the beginning of my lid. So I decided that, you know, to do it this way. So yeah, in case you thought it was like a quote cut crease, no sis, it's not really. It's just something to bring a different, you know, to make that pink pop out from that purple. And as you can see, my left eye is already done, and it took me many layers of pink to accomplish that look, because that's just how bold I wanted it. That's why I said the eyeshadow base would have brought this look so much life. Now, if you've been rocking with me long enough, you know that I'm not like a makeup professional expert, know-it-all guru about makeup. Shout out to Jackie Anna, because that's how I look at her. She's like the guru of makeup, especially for us, especially for, you know, my black sisters. I'm just gonna keep it a stack. So as I was saying, I'm not like a guru or anything, but I'm definitely not a beginner. I've been doing my makeup since high school, and I've gotten better and better. So let me explain to you why I use that Nivea. As I was just saying, my skin is super dry. So instead of using, a real primer product, I decided to use Nivea. It's what I use on my face when I don't wear makeup. And I needed it. I wanted to bring out this video, but I almost didn't need to bring out this video because my skin is so sensitive and so dry right now. So for the sake of the video, instead of using my primer, I just went in with the Nivea. I didn't wear this look that long. It was actually Saturday, sis, when I did my Valentine's Day shenanigans, and so I didn't get a chance to put this video up like Sunday or Monday. It's just now going up, so forgive me for the late video as well. And that foundation I used just to catch up was Juvia's Place as well. It is in the shade Somalia, or the number 350, if you care to know, because I did not list all my products below. I try to show y'all all the products I'm going to use in my video, but sometimes it just don't work out that way. I forget. So, and this is the same concealer that I used on my eyelids, same tone, J16. And I'm just doing basically like my contouring and concealing here. I've started to take my concealer a little bit up on the corners of my eye a little bit more, just to give it a more snatched conceal look. I think I'm saying that right, but I'm trying to get the face more snatched, okay? Trying to slay. So after I did all of my concealer and whatnot, I did go in with Airspun Satin Powder in the tone or shade, whatever you want to call it, in translucent, to set my makeup. I didn't use a lot, but and I never bake, by the way, because baking is just not my thing, and plus my skin is dry enough. So just a heads up, and I'm so sorry that I did talk all the way through this video, but it's whatever. Just a heads up. I grabbed these sponges out of the store. I needed some. I saw them. I got them, so don't talk junk. But this video is going to cut off a little abruptly. I apologize for that ahead of time because I ran out of space, you guys. And also, the sun came out looking so beautiful. But look at my video. I got like a big, I don't know. It just, I don't know. Pray for it. Pray for the video. Pray for the future videos. Sun took over. These $2 eyeshadow eyelashes popping. So you guys, this is where my video cut off at, but you did not miss anything. This is the final look. This is LaFleur hair. I will do a review about this hair next, so y'all stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching as always. Peace.